Hey guys, welcome back. I'm coming on today to bring you a layout for the scrap room. I'll be using the DoubleShot kit for November 2021, and this is the kit that includes Simple Stories Homegrown. It is super cute. I'm on the design team, so I was lucky to get it a few minutes earlier than a bunch of you, but let me show you what is included in this handy dandy kit. Let me look at my cheat sheet so I can hopefully tell you the right colors of the cardstock and all of that kind of stuff. So I have one sheet of denim cardstock, which is a fabulous textured cardstock. I have two pieces of white, also textured cardstock. Then I have this one right here. It is called Homegrown Farmers Market, all kinds of canned goods, as well as a good picnic plaid. This piece right here, which I think is my favorite, it is called Feed and Seed, really fab green ledger, and lots of seed packets. And then finally, I have this piece right here. It is called the Journal Elements for good reason. And then the backside is this gorgeous blue with wildflowers. Now we also get to have, let's see, I want to make sure, 3 of the Simple Stories tags. So they're kind of plain on this side, and then they're a little bit more embellished up on this side. We have that. And then I have a whole package of goodies here. So let me show you what I have in here. Maybe I will show you. I've got, and I did a haul, so I'm wondering like if I'm talking too much about it. I just get very excited. So I will put the flat die cuts on one side, and I have chipboard, so I can put that on the other. I mean, look at these cute little cartons of eggs, and I have sunflowers. I have a nice chipboard barn that I think is awesome. Chipboard flower, banner piece, a tomato, so cute. And this tractor, which will be used in my layout, and I'll show you why in a moment. Let me get the rest out. Come on, guys, everybody come out. One piece that is not cooperating. Homegrown memories, a sunshine. Ooh, a nice little speech bubble. The word home, and a seed packet with beads on it. I do have some enamel dots. There's one more little piece in here. That's a flat piece, This Simple Life. And then finally, I do have 1/6 of a pack of the foam stickers, and they will vary. All of these things will vary because they're all split up. So let me show you the picture I want to use, and I'll show you why I'm so excited. So I just got this picture. This is a picture of my son, and he is on this like pedal powered tractor that was at this big cider mill that we have in our region. And he was zipping around in the mud everywhere, having himself a time, but it's supposed to look like a little tractor. So that is perfect for this kit. Like, I think it's amazing. So what I'm gonna also do is I'm going to come in, because I love challenges, and I'm gonna use the Freaky Fast Friday challenge. So this is the November 2021 formula. I need one 5 by 8.5, one 8.5 by 3.5, one 10 by 2, a 3 by 2, which I could do that with a tag, and a 3.5 inch triangle. So I don't know at this point, I have no idea actually, how I'm going to configure those things. I will figure it out. But for now, I'm going to get my pieces put to the side here. I want to see them. This will definitely work for my 3 by 2, one of these. So I think that's kind of awesome. I wonder if that was on purpose. I love that idea. I'm going to put my pieces over here. I'm going to cut up my pieces to size, whichever way I think they're going to work. I think I'm going to use this gorgeous blue cardstock, this denim. Once again, I had to look up what it was called. I'm going to use that for my base, because we are to use a 12 by 12 piece of pattern paper or cardstock for the base. Use the formula above. Cut your choice of pattern papers in the dimensions in the formula. Now move the cut pieces around the base until you achieve a design that you are satisfied with. You can also scrap lift one of our design team layouts created with the formula. Well, since I have not seen any, I cannot do that. So next, add your choice of embellishments, title work, and journaling to complete the page. Voila. All right, so I'm going to set about cutting my pieces to size, moving them around as we talked about it, and I will come back once I have them attached down. So I wanted to come on really quickly and show you what my configuration is looking like. I did scuff up all of my edges so that I have a little bit of differentiation, and I always like when you scuff up and you can see a little bit of that white core. I just popped my cute little barn down here. I originally had this piece of paper sitting up like this, but I am so smitten with this green that I think I'm going to use this piece of paper to be an anchor for a secondary cluster. And you guys don't know this, and there's not even a picture of this so far from this year, but there is this big giant tower of hay bales at this place that when my son was little and he used to go on school field trips, they used to climb it and it was good time. So that reminded me of it. It's awesome. So that's great. So I'm going to attach all my pieces down. Like I said, I was worried about hurrying up to get this up because the guy who cuts our grass is going to be over any second. So what I am doing now is I just keep looking at all of these adorable little bits, and I want to keep building. So I better get these things on. Remember, we did talk about needing to get this tractor on. When else will this color tractor work so incredibly well? Ooh, kind of up there. Although it's kind of driving on their heads. Okay, I'm gonna get this stuff on here. I love it. I think it's cute. I think it's so fun. Ooh, the green on green is kind of cool. The only thing I don't like about it there, it looks like it's driving off the page. So maybe I'll do something, okay, like that better. I just need something under there. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna get going on this and I'll be back in a second. I just thought I would catch you up with where my thought process was going. Be right back. Okay guys, I have my base down and let's go ahead and build some of these other pieces up. I think this is super fun. I did cut a piece of black and white twine. It did not come in the kit. It's from my stash. And the reason why I wanted to bring in black and white is I'm going to use this Homegrown piece for my titles. So I thought that would be a good idea. I've got this little label piece that I cut from one of the pattern papers so that I could have a nice little extension right here of my cluster piece. I wanted to have this such a cute chipboard barn on here. There are barns and petting zoos and all kinds of, well, one petting zoo, I guess. There's a barn at this place. It's one of my favorite places to go. It is so fun. So I thought we would just build this little cluster up as it is quite a bit smaller than the other. Let's get this little chipboard piece on. And I never trust chipboard to do the right thing because that makes sense, right? So I try to go ahead and hit it just with a little bit of extra adhesive if I can. And this is one of the little die cut pieces. It reads The Simple Life. So lots of a green vibe, but I liked that for this toy that my son was writing on. Okay, I have that. So I have this cute little cluster, a little thing of beets. Beets have nothing to do with any of this, but you know, they're there. So let's get my son's, like I'm trying to figure out, no, I want to get this without dimension on the back. It's already pretty dimensional. I matted it 3 times, twice on this gorgeous blue and one on this picnic plaid. And that's not what it's called, but that's what it reminds me of. And I want to be able to see this greener pastures right here because I think it's so cute. Let's line this up. Now it's, I mean, nothing is like perfect that I do. It's pretty ish, and ish is good. I also had this piece right here from one of the pattern paper pieces. I just love the idea of bringing in yet more pattern and more vibe with it, building it out, and that's going to allow my cute little tractor to show up a little bit more than if it's just green on green. Now I love tone on tone as well, but I really felt like this guy needed to be a star. It's so cute. Little tractor guy. And then where this giant sunflower is involved, because I think it's so darned cute, I think I want, I actually think it's gonna need to go up on a little bit of foam on the one side. Otherwise, it's gonna be topsy-turvy because I have so much dimension going on with this. So let's get some on the one side of the flower. And then probably just a little bit on part of the leafy bits. Just so that it's not looking like it's getting scrunched. A little bit on my foam. Let's see. Because I think that is so cute. And there's nothing going on right here on the photo. So I can definitely put that down. Little bit more chipboard on this. So guys, this is literally the layout. It just decided to come together super quickly. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have this little chipboard floral piece with some of the same colors as we have here and here. So I thought I should just put it in with the sunflower cluster. Now this foam word that reads Homegrown, that is our title. And we're gonna have it just rest right up there. You can still see that it reads greener pastures. So I think that is super fun. And then, oh, and I have a sun up here too that I figured should go, you know, up here-ish. So let's go ahead and figure out the way we're gonna do this little bow or tag or whatever. Do I want to, you know, I might do a little bit of a dramatic curlicue with a little bit of liquid adhesive on here. Yeah, I will. Okay, I'm gonna pop a couple more things on here and I'll be right back. Now, I do totally wish that my son had pictures taken with the little baby chicks that are there, because I would have used these little egg things. They're so cute. Okay, you know, like the little tiny fuzzy ones, and they have them in like this little incubator thing. It's so cute. Okay, but another layout. So love that I have a great title. I do have these enamel dots, which makes me super lucky. So let's see, I'll put one big one here and I can use it off of that. So with that in mind, I think I'll only feel like, unless I want to put in more, but that looks really cute. I like the idea of 2, 2, 2. That'd be really cute. All right, so I have 2 there. I'm gonna put this one here where the seam is. And then really my last cluster is this one up here. And what I just did is I went ahead and put this chipboard sun up here because it felt like a good plan. It's a nice sunny day. So I have my clusters there, there, and there. I think I might need to get a little bit of liquid adhesive on this to make my sun stick down. And that, my friends, is pretty much gonna take care of this. I think I'll go ahead and write my son's name, of course, and where he is and that kind of thing for the journaling. But otherwise, this little cutie is done, done, done. And I think it is adorable. Let me bring it up just a little bit closer so you can see how much fun it is. Guys, get these double shot kits. You get a taste of this collection. You get to decide if you want to grab more of it. And you also get to, which I love doing this, you get to push yourself to see how far you can take your layout with the goodies that are here. And this is a really full looking layout, so it's awesome. Okay, I will have links down below for the ScrapRoom's website, blog, as well as Facebook group. All right, if you guys have questions, pop them down. If not, I will see you guys ever so soon. Bye-bye.